Ready to unleash your inner artist and design incredible pads using Adobe Photoshop? Let's start with a new document by going to File. Then choose your desired dimensions for a pad. Consider something like 1000 by 1000 pixels for easy sharing online, and resolution of 300 dpi will maintain good quality. Next, we'll create the base of your pad in the Layers panel. Rename the background layer to Base, and then create a new layer by clicking the icon to create a blank layer. Now for the fun part, finding your perfect brushes. Use the brush tool and experiment around in the brushes panel to find brushes that will help you to create distinct elements. Play with brush size, opacity, and flow to get your textures right. Start playing using your chosen brushes on the new blank layer. Vary your brush strokes to create an engaging background. You can add textures by using another brush, adjusting the opacity to control the overall look. To introduce visual interest, experiment with blending modes. Open up the blending modes drop-down menu and experiment to see what best fits your vision. You can use the overlay or soft light modes to blend your textures even more. Adding elements like shapes, text, or illustrations will add more visual interests. Add these on new layers, allowing you to edit them independently. Photoshop gives you a lot of power with this feature, so play around and have fun adding original elements. Finally, customize your artistic pad even further using the filters. You can try using the filter gallery, experimenting with various filters. Doing this helps with the overall look of the pad you created. And there you have it. You've now created your own artistic pad using the power of Adobe Photoshop. Don't forget to save your masterpiece. Now go forth and create.